everybody, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and simply in the Python with MySQL programming series, I am going to start with a new program today. And in the previous video, I told you that how you can delete the data from the database. Today, in this video, I am going to talk about that how you can insert one record and return its ID. Simply, this will be helping you out a lot in the projects and all. So I'm just writing here insert one record or one row and return ID. Okay, return the ID. So import MySQL.connector. Then here simply I'm taking the MyDB variable. MySQL.connector dot connect. Host equals to localhost. Then user equals to root. And password, I don't have any. If you have any password, you can put it here. And the database which I am using, that is simply db2. Okay. So MyDB, okay, sorry. I'm just taking here a cursor equals to MyDB dot, like cursor variable I have taken. And cursor is used when you want to execute a query. So I have taken here the cursor. And here I'm taking insert into our table is book, where we are having the book ID, title, and price. These are the headers, table headers, or the column or the fields. And mod S, mod S, mod S to insert the values. Then val variable I have taken to insert the values. 104 I deleted. I'm just taking 104 now. So 104, that was an integer value. Then PHP I have taken, and some price I am taking here. Okay. Then mydb dot, okay, sorry, cursor dot execute SQL query and the value which we want to insert. Both we have to pass here. Then mydb dot commit to commit the query, commit the operation. So one record inserted ID, and here I'm just printing cursor dot last row ID. So this last row ID is used to get the ID. Now when I will run it, so you can see the ID is 0. It can be anything when you are running it. Okay, so here the ID is 0, you can see it is returning here the ID. And let's check that the record is inserted or not. So 104 was missing here because I deleted it in the previous video. So here I'm just selecting it, and you can see here the 104 is present with the values which we have inserted into the database. So I hope this particular program is clear. In case you have any query, you can ask your doubts in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. And in case you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, because there is a lot of playlists available for you for learning new things, either Python or Java. And simply, there are multiple internships running at FameWorld Educational Hub, the summer internships in the summer and the winter internships in the winter. FameWorld Educational Hub is a registered ISO certified and AICTE approved company. So in case you are interested in learning some skills and also in the internships which is required in your BTech and MCAs, you can contact us on the given number. Thank you, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe.